Hello everyone, now we'll solve exercise problems. These problems are very simple, but the thing is you need to think what the substitution you can give. If you can do that, then the problems will be easy. Okay, we'll solve this problem. Prove that x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. 3 sin inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Right, you have to prove that 3 sin x is equal to this one. Now what the substitution we can give here? What is this now? Sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. You know the formula sin 3x, right? What is sin 3x? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, right? I can give the substitution as x is equal to sin theta. Is it clear? Here you can see this one. 3x minus 4x cube. You can write 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So first we'll consider let x is equal to, we'll give sin theta. The can consider angle as any sin theta or sin A. X is equal to sin theta. Now I'll consider the right hand side. Right hand side is now sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Right? This is a right hand side. This is equal to, now I can write sin inverse of, what is the substitution? X is equal to sin theta. We'll substitute this one. 3 into sin theta minus 4 into sin cube theta. Simple? Yes. Now this is a sin 3 theta formula. So we can write this one as sin inverse of sin 3 theta. Is it clear? Sin inverse of sin 3 theta. So sin inverse and sin will get cancelled. This will be equal to 3 theta. What is theta? Theta you have to substitute. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. So 3 sin inverse of x. Proved? Yes. Just to give the substitution x as sin theta. This is the first one. Next we'll go to the second problem. Okay. Now we'll see the second problem. You have to write the simplest form of tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x, where the value of x is not equal to 0. Okay. You have to write the simplest form of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole divided by x, and the value of x is not equal to 0. So for this, we'll give the substitution. I told you this. Here tan inverse is there. We have to convert this one into the tan function. We'll give the substitution x is equal to tan theta. Okay. We'll give the substitution x as tan theta. If I give x as tan theta, this will be now tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square. Now x is tan theta. So this will be now 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. Right? Minus 1 is there. Divided by, we had given the substitution x as tan theta. Here also we will substitute x is equal to tan theta. Now this is equal to tan inverse of, here 1 plus tan square theta. You know that 1 plus tan square theta will be secant square theta. So secant square theta and square and square root will get cancelled. So this will be secant theta minus 1. Is it clear? 1 plus tan square theta you can substitute as secant square theta. Square and square root will get cancelled. Secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay. Now again this one can be written as, this is equal to tan inverse of secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. Now we'll take the LCM. LCM is cos theta. So this one also can be written as tan inverse of, if I take LCM cos theta, this will be 1 minus cos theta divided by, this is sin theta. Is it clear? Because cos theta is LCM, cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. Now what we can do here? 1 minus cos theta, what we can write? 1 minus cos theta has tan inverse of, can we write 1 minus cos theta as 2 sin square theta by 2? 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, because you know the formula cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Yes. Now if I divide the angle by 2, so cos theta will be equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Here we need the 1 minus cos theta. So if I take this one here, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So just I have substituted 1 minus cos theta as 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by, what is sin theta? In the last problem also I explained you this one. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta will be 2 sin, is it clear? Sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. One sin and sin will get cancelled. What is remaining? Tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. It is equal to tan theta by 2. So we have converted those function into the tan. Here tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. This is equal to theta by 2. This is, now what is the value of theta? We have substituted x is equal to tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. So this is equal to now tan inverse of x divided by 2. This is the simplest form of the given question. I hope you understood this one. Now we will see the next problem, that is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 by 7. Here 2 tan inverse of x is there, right? In the last problem what we have solved, it was tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Here this is not in that form. First you have to substitute the formula 2 tan inverse x in the form of tan inverse. What is 2 tan inverse x? 2 tan inverse x can be written as, the formula is in the form of tan inverse is tan inverse of, right, 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. For this one, first we will substitute this form. So it is in the form of now tan inverse of this. Then after that you can substitute the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse y. First we will substitute for this one. Now this can be written as tan inverse of 2, x is here 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x square will be 1 by 2 whole square plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is as it is, tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now we can simplify this one. This one can be written as tan inverse of 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 divided by LCM will be 4. Here it is 4 minus 1 is 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Yes, now this one can be written as tan inverse of, this will be now 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now this is of the form tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. You can substitute the formula. It is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. First you check the product, 4 by 3 into 1 by 7, that will be 4 by 21. It is obviously less than 1. Product of x, y is less than 1. So you can go with the first formula. I am not going to solve this one. You have to complete this. Okay. Now we will see the next problem. Write the simplest form of tan inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1. The value of mod x is greater than 1. Here also you have to convert this function into the tan. What the substitution we can give here? You can't take sin x as sin or cos, right? Because if you consider sin square minus 1, square root of negative will get. So sin and cos is not possible. So the substitution is possible substitution. Either you have to give x is equal to secant theta or cosecant theta. Two possibilities are there. One is x is equal to secant theta or x is equal to cosecant theta. I'll go with x is equal to secant theta. If I substitute x as secant theta, now this one can be written as tan inverse of 1 by root of x is secant theta. So this will be now secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. What is secant square theta minus 1? It will be tan square theta. So this one can be written as tan inverse of 1 by square root of tan square theta minus 1. Square and square root will get cancelled. This is 1 by tan theta. Again this is equal to now tan inverse of 1 by tan theta will be equal to cot theta. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. But here tan inverse is there, here cot is there. But we need this one in the form of tan. What we can do here? We can convert cot into tan. Right? So cot theta can be written as tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus theta. Can be write like this. Tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Tan of pi by 2. Pi by 2 means tan changes to cot. Right? Pi by 2 minus theta means first cot. Right? So sign will be positive. So tan of pi by 2 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. Now tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So now substitute the value of theta pi by 2 minus what is theta? Secant inverse of x. Secant inverse of x. This is the simplest form of given question. Okay. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll move to the next one. Let's find the simplest form of tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. This is a known one. What is 1 minus cos x? What is 1 minus cos x formula? 1 minus cos x will be equal to 2 sin square x by 2, right? This is derived from the formula cos 2x, and 1 plus cos x is equal to, what is the formula? 2 cos square x by 2, right? 2 cos square x by 2. These both are derived from the formula cos 2 theta or cos 2x. So this one can be written as tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x will be 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, right? This will be equal to now tan inverse of square root of sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 will be tan square x by 2, and again here square and square root will get cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of tan x by 2. Here tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. This is equal to x by 2. This is the simplest form of the given question. I hope you understood this one. This is by using the formula cos 2 theta. You have studied this one in the first PUC, right? The next problem is write the function in the simplest form tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So you have to convert this one into the tan form. Yesterday we have solved one problem based on this, right? So what we can do here, you have to convert this one into tan x. So here you know the form, already I have written the formula, tan of a minus b is this one. So tan of pi by 4 minus x will be 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So we have to convert this one into this form. So for that you have to divide by cos x. Is it clear? You have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos x. So if you divide by cos x, this will be now tan inverse of cos x and cos x will get cancelled. 1 minus sin x by cos x will be tan x divided by, here cos x and cos x will get cancelled. 1 plus sin x by cos x will be tan x. Now this is of the form 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So that is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x. So we can substitute this one as tan of pi by 4 minus x. So this will be now tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x. Here tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. This will be equal to pi by 4 minus x. Simple? Yes, this is the simplest form of this one. Is it clear? Understood? Next problem is write the simplest form of the tan inverse of x by root of a square minus x square. Here function is not there, right? So we have to give the some substitution. We'll consider substitution as let x is equal to, here the constant is also given. For that reason we'll consider x is equal to a sin theta. This is not compulsory that you have to give a sin theta only. You can consider a cos theta also. Here I'll consider a sin theta. Now this will be now sin theta, I can write as x by a is equal to sin theta. So the value of theta will be equal to sin inverse of x by a. Yes. Now we'll consider this one tan inverse of, it is given that x by root of a square minus x square. This is equal to tan inverse of, we'll substitute, we have considered x as a sin theta, we'll substitute that x as a sin theta divided by root of a square, I'll write as it is, x square will be now a square sin square theta, a square sin square theta. Now next step, that is tan inverse of a sin theta is as it is, square root of divided by square root of, here it is a square minus a square sin square theta is there. We'll consider a square common. If you consider a square common, remaining with 1 minus sin square theta, right? 1 minus sin square theta. So this is equal to tan inverse of a sin theta divided by square root of a square. What is 1 minus sin square theta? You know that it is equal to cos square theta. So here square and square root will get cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of A sin theta divided by A cos theta. So here you can cancel A and A. So this is equal to now tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta. So tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. This is equal to theta. After this you have to substitute the value of theta. What is theta? Theta will be sin inverse of x by a. This is important here. You have to substitute the value of theta, sin inverse of x by a. This is the simplest form of the given question. I hope you understood this one. Only the thing is you have to remember what the substitution you can give.